Hi and welcome to Steve's Kitchen. By the end of this recipe, you're going to learn how to make a delicious and thick, super thick coconut yogurt, and it's rich and full of probiotics. Now, we've been doing a few good stomach recipes over the last week. We did that lovely sauerkraut, the German sauerkraut, the fermented cabbage, which was really delicious. And then we did the buttermilk as well last weekend. Today, we're taking it up a notch, something super delicious. Strap yourself in and learn with me how to make a delicious coconut yogurt. You'll see I've got a variety of coconut milks and creams here, and I've experimented with them all so you don't have to. Now, you'd have thought that a thick coconut cream would work better than a coconut milk, but I can tell you from my experimenting, the milk makes a nicer yogurt. It's just the right sort of texture. They both work, by the way. Now, I've gone for a pure coconut milk, by the way. There's nothing else in here. Many of them do have emulsifiers and different additives in. It doesn't matter, they do all work. This particular brand I found is perfect. They are little diddy tins, but they're just the perfect size for me. Now, whether it comes in a can or a carton, first thing you want to do is give this a good shake up. Break up the fats, any solids that are in the top of the can, and then everything after this is pretty simple. Crack open the lid, pull that top off, and you'll see with the shake up there are no solids on the top. Now, we take this coconut milk. Now, I've put the coconut milk into a glass jar just so that you can see what I'm doing, but a little tip here, you could just do it straight in the can. It makes no difference. Now, many of you will know that the cultures we use to make a dairy yogurt, they grow naturally in milk, but we don't want to introduce these if we're going to go dairy-free. So I've got some probiotics. These are little capsules you can get in most chemists or supermarkets. They're very simple. So simple little capsules as you would find in any tablet form. Take your little capsule, give it a squeeze, a little twist, and all those little probiotics will come out. Just pour it on top of the coconut milk, and then just take a teaspoon and give this a good stir through. Now, these are the natural healthy probiotics that you find in the stomach, and when you put them into your coconut yogurt like this, at room temperature, they are actually going to bloom, they're going to multiply, and it's going to take a couple of days for them to make a very thick yogurt. Now, initially, I'm going to leave this for 24 hours, a little bit of muslin or cheesecloth over the top just to keep the dust out. In 24 hours time, you're going to uncover your coconut yogurt. And what you're going to notice is there's often a little bit of coconut water at the bottom, and it will have started to thicken slightly. Not as thick as a normal yogurt, although we're starting to get there, you can see. But on the first day, what I like to do is just give this a stir through, just to bring the coconut water back into the milk. Cover it over, and we're going to leave this at room temperature for another day, and by then it's going to be a lovely thick yogurt, a little bit like a Greek yogurt. Now, different temperatures around the house will mean that this will take slightly varied times to actually finish, but don't worry, it could be within 1 day or 2 days. It's certainly going to set. Now, by the second day, you just look how beautiful and thick this yogurt has set, and you can eat it just like this. I'll give it a try. My, that is so delicious. Now, if you set that in the fridge for a little while, it will set super firm like a really dense Greek yogurt. And I would serve this with some fresh fruits, or as I'm going to do now, I've got this wonderful homemade lemon curd, which is just a great combination. Now, just look at that. I think the combination of lemon curd and coconut yogurt, you just can't beat it. Having said that, I'd love to hear if you've got a better combination, but here goes. I'm going to tuck in, give this a try. Wow, that is heavenly. It is so, so good. I love it. Now, the reason we made this with the probiotics also was to keep it completely lactose free, and it still tastes really delicious. So if you're intolerant towards any milk products, this is the yogurt for you. Oh, it's so good. I'm going in for a second helping of this. Share the love. Comments down below, let me know what you think of it. If you do any yogurts or you make something with some beautiful fruits in it, send me a picture across on social media. In the meantime, have a great week, and I will see you for another episode of Steve's Kitchen very shortly. Chin chin.